So how can you increase the text size in a Keynote on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If you're brand new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, inside of the Keynote, you don't really have the controls to bump up the size of the text. So we have to find some workarounds, right? And the best one, which I found, is to basically click on the plus button whenever you want to start a brand new slide and pick from the one which allows you to have like a larger text, right? So most of the like new slides have a titles or some kind of body text, but there is usually one called big fact, right? And when you click on this one, like a huge a number or like a huge text is going to appear, right? So you can select it, and when you just keep on typing more and more text, it will just gradually get smaller. That's one thing, but also you can grab the actual like a text field and you can make it smaller, right? So you don't really just get or it doesn't work that you write it down a small text and then you bump up the size, but instead we just look up something large like this and then dial down the sound if we want it. I mean, sorry, the size, right? So that's how I like to do this. Of course, it would be nicer to actually like have the ability to adjust the size of the text, but it doesn't really work the same way. So this is the best workaround which I like to use whenever I'm creating my Keynote presentations. So let me know in the comments below if you have some thoughts that you want to share. Most definitely subscribe for these quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future ones.